fat, full of
This is just a slow roll and they hit it. Yeah.
Like hitting all kind of oysters. And, you got him too, huh?
Oh yeah, another oinker right here. Nice oinker. Under these birds. Jeff with the oinkers. Oink. All day long. Look at this here, Jeff. Oh man.
How many trout we caught? We didn't limit it out if we was keeping. We didn't limit it out.
Dude, chill out, man. This dude here, he don't want to chill out. Chill out, man. I don't want to get stuck today. I got a long ride home. And it ain't 11 o'clock. I definitely don't want to get stuck right now. Dog, chill out, man.
And we gotta continue to move. That's all I can expect to wait. You can't just keep a speck here. What the fuck?
I'm going to this side.
Ooh, see that?
Yeah, that's why I cast on that side. What you got there, man? Oinkity doink doink?
Yep.
Yeah, they busting at that show.
On the shoreline.
Jeff, show the camera what you got, man. That's a nice one, man. You keeping out?
Yeah. Look at all the whiskers hanging on his mouth.
That dude
That
eating some
boy-
shrimp, boy.
That boy got nothing but shrimp. Look at his belly.
That dude eating some
You
shrimp,
can
man.
feel him.
That dude eating some shrimp, man.
You can feel all the shrimp, like the individual shrimp in the shrimp.
Yeah. That dude eating some shrimp.
You gotta go. They ain't hitting you on this side?
Mm-mm.
You gotta go to deeper water. Another thing you got? Dolphin chum.
Oh yeah, the dolphin would have messed him up if they was right there.
You trying to hide under the boat?
Mm-mm. Don't try it, little fella. Yeah, they telling you. Go to that shoreline. Let's see what we got on that shoreline.
Think you might get some variety up on the foot. Yeah, look at the mullet on the foot.
Yeah, we might get a little variety, you know? Never know. Yeah, they busting on the shoreline still.
They don't look no bigger though.
That's some small pops, huh?
Yeah, it's a little pop. You can see them better. How do you take a piece of trout?
The birds was here working.
He's tired. He's like, shit, I don't even look at this. That little thing. They're on this point, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.